Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create see-through text edit on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a video using Doodle. So here, I'm going to select photo, and then I'm going to choose the blank clip. And I'm going to change the canvas to this ratio, and I'm going to make it black. Go to background and choose this black background. Okay, and then I'm going to choose doodle here. The doodle is right here, and I'm going to write with this doodle. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to start to draw, and we're going to take a recording of it. You can record the process of the doodling. Okay, you can record it and click on check mark. After you take a record of this video, you can go back, and then you're going to create new project. Select your video. Choose the video and select new, and I'm going to upload this video. Okay, and wait guys, let me crop the video. I'm going to crop this part. Okay, wait. Alright, and I'm going to cut the video. Alright, and after that, we're going to select the background for this video. But actually guys, if you have a pen or marker, you can draw like this on the paper. But here I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and then we're going to go to the PIP. It's here. Select the PIP, and you're going to go to the InShot material. And for example, I'm just going to choose this video. Alright, and I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Oops. Click on this button, and you're going to make the video align with the text. Wait, let me split it, and I'm going to delete it. Click on the check mark, and then we're going to blend the first video with the second video. So here I'm going to go to the blend menu. You can select the PIP first. Okay, select PIP, click on your second video, and then you're going to choose the blend option. And then I'm going to choose darken. Okay, and it will create something like this. Wait, let me show you. Alright, and I'm gonna play it. Okay, this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create see-through text editing in InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!